Crafty friends, it's Melinda from mypapercrafting.com, and today I'm going to be sharing how I made this project. And it's a cute summer themed sign, and I designed the cut files, and this is like a chalk sign that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And then, of course, the star of the show is this beautiful Rinea paper that I used to create the majority of the images. Here you can see the ruby glossy paper, the jade starstruck, the copper starstruck, the marigold starstruck with the gold glossy, the ruby starstruck for the summer, and then the ebony starstruck for the seeds. Oh, and then the blush glossy, and then the gold for the flower, and then the jade again for the leaves. I am going to be sharing the files that I created. Half the files are on the link in the info section below in this video, and the other half of the files you will find the link to the Rinea blog post, where they will be there, that you can go and pick them up there. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, as you can see, I cut this out with my CRICUT, and I wanted to show how easily you can cut this right out. Alright, so just to give you a little information, the majority of the video I'm just assembling it, so there isn't a lot of talking, so I'm gonna just put a little music to it, and you can just watch me assemble the pieces, and then we'll be back. Okay, so the final thing was to cut and assemble the flowers. And so I did that, and then I just attached and assembled everything and adhered it onto the signage, and that pretty much completes our project. If you like the video, please take a moment to hit the like button and to subscribe to my channel. I sure would appreciate it. Don't forget to check out the info section below where you'll get the link to half of the video or half of the SVG files, and then the link to the Rinea blog post where the other half are. And don't forget to visit my blog, mypapercrafting.com, for still photos as well as other projects that I've shared with the Rinea paper. And until the next time, you have a wonderfully crafty day.